For downloading Pega Infinity 25 installation zip file, open your web browser and go to community.pega.com and then log in with your credentials. Once logged in, click on Support and then navigate to Download Pega software. After the page loads, select Software and then select My Software. You will now see a list of available products. Now select Pega Platform and then click Next. In the next screen, you can select the specific version you need. We will choose the latest version 25 and then release 25.1.1 and then click Submit Request. A confirmation screen will appear. Simply click the download button to start downloading the Pega Infinity zip file.